Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches in the front at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, everything back here is spotless. I do not see a scratch at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has not a scratch on it at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. So everything so far is spotless. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door looks perfect. No dents, no scratches at all here. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and we're going to start off with the driver's seat. This seat looks perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere on the seat at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel is in excellent condition as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that everything looks fine. I do not see any wear and tear with any button in here. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.